on Reyesfans in YouTube? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy Gabriel Reyes, and welcome to Gabriel's Fashion Sense Halloween Edition. And in this video, this is actually going to be an updated version of my Cholo outfit slash costume slash cosplay. Alright you guys, first things first, for dressing up like a Cholo, the reason why I'm showing you guys on how to dress up like this is because, you know, that's part of my culture. That's part of the Mexican, Hispanic, Latino culture. Actually, it's part of any Latino culture, and this is something that's a part of me. I have family and cousins and friends who are cholos and cholas and all that. So, this is my fashion on how I dress up like this, and this is just to show how a fashionable guy I am, and especially around Halloween time. So, putting that all out, this is just for fun. This is to dress up in a way that makes you look good and makes you stand out. However you want to do it, especially with your type of style. This is my type of style, and I want to show you guys how I do it. And you guys can put your own twist into it if you want. It's your style. Do it how you do it. Alright you guys, so let's get started with how to dress up as a cholo or a chola. For the guys, if for the facial looks, if you guys have some hair and if you guys got gel, go ahead and spike up your hair. Or if you guys want to go with like a full buzz cut, shaved head or any of that, go with that. For me, it's having a little bit of buzz in my hair. And if you guys want to go with the facial hair, either grow a mustache or a goatee or do a combination or do a 5 o'clock shadow or a beard, because either way, those will work. So another thing to wear is top wise. Either you can go with a white tank top or a white t-shirt. If you want to wear it baggy, go ahead. Go with whatever size works for you. But if you want to wear either white, black, or gray, any of those colors will work. Alright you guys, now the next step is I'm going to show you guys 3 different things on what I wear on the bottom part of the Cholo outfit. Now with a belt, you can either go with a rope belt or a stud belt, or in this case with me, I'm going with a double hole belt. That way, it gives it more of a better look. And if you guys want to go with wallet chains and all, you can go ahead and do a wallet chain. And of course, as usual, I got myself some khaki jeans and either khaki jeans or pants, whichever way you guys want to do it. That is your choice. If you want to wear them baggy, go ahead. But of course, this is my style. Alright you guys, if you guys remember from my previous Cholo video, I was wearing white Levi shoes, but now this time I got the appropriate shoes to wear as a Cholo. The Nike Cortez shoes. This is the much better shoe to wear. And as well as wearing high top white socks. That's another thing that you also want to wear with your outfit. Alright, so another thing to wear as well is usual for what I have on is, a flannel shirt. Go with any color that you guys want to wear. And for me, it's mostly black, white, and gray. And of course, with a bandana, again, depending on what colors you guys are wearing, go with any color that you like. For me, I'm doing all black, white, and gray because, it definitely gives more of a darkness kind of a look. And of course, some other accessories that you want to add on is a hat. Go with either a baseball hat or anything, or any hat that you guys like to wear. For me, I'm going more with a skull I'm going with a skull hat because, in honor of Halloween and everything, and because of Dia de los Muertos. That's part of the Hispanic culture, especially in Mexico and with all Mexican Americans. And if you want to add a little bit more to it, throw on some shades. I guarantee you, this look will definitely make you guys excellent. Perfect cholos or cholas. Again, depending on what you guys want to go with, that is completely up to you. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just a quick tutorial and updated version of my Cholo outfit that I did last year, so this is a better version of it. And I want to thank you guys for coming by and watching this video, and I hope you guys get some ideas of your own on how to dress up like a Cholo. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell as well. Alright you guys, I'm Gabriel Reyes. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video. But before you go, here are a couple pictures of me in the Cholo outfit.